So I thought I would show you how to make your ponytail look a little bit more interesting than just your standard old tricks. Cool, so nice and easy. Just section your hair, ear to ear. I just clip mine away with a sectioning clip just to make my life easier. And I'm just using the dressing brush just to give my hair a bit more smoothness. Now it doesn't matter how high or low you wear your ponytail, it's all personal preference. My hair's quite short, so I tend to wear mine a little bit higher. Cool, so as you can see I've just put that into a normal ponytail. Now with this front section, this is all about the volume. Cool, so you can use a prosthetic brush or any sort of other comb and just randomly grab some pieces, just do a bit of back combing. Again, I wouldn't be too fussy, it's just about giving your hair a little bit more height and volume. Now you can also cheat by using something like super dust, that's just going to give your hair a little bit more texture, probably a little less volume. Cool, so once you've sort of built that volume up, just use your fingers, or you could use your comb. Smooth it down a little bit, create a little bit more balance. Now grabbing your second hair tie, just wrap the hair around your first hair tie and just create a second loop like that. So it all looks like one ponytail, but it's been done into two sections. Cool, so from here, check it out, see if you're happy with it. If you're feeling like you want a little bit more volume or you've got a few gaps, you can just go through with your tail comb and just got to pull it out as you need to. Cool, now I've got a fringe which helps disguise a lot of my flyaways, but if you tend to suffer from a lot of this annoying flyaway hair, you can use something like this slick stick. And basically it's like a mascara wand with a little bit of hair gel in it. And you just run it along your hairline. And you can see already how much that defluffs. You can also use it through these back sections. Cool. Nice. So there you go, how to quickly and simply make your ponytail look a little bit more exciting.